Hello, my name is Zonika and I am from the Writing Centre at the University of the Free State. In this video, we will discuss summarising. Please note that this is the second video on our series on paraphrasing, summarising and quoting. In our first video, you learned how to paraphrase, and in this video, you will learn how to summarise. So, what is summarising? A summary is a shorter account or version of the main ideas of a text. Summarising can be used for various reasons, such as studying, sharing information, note-taking, or when writing an abstract for a research article. It can also be used when writing assignments where the ideas from several sources are compared. How do you summarise? Since only the author's main ideas are presented in summaries, a summary will be shorter than the original text. When summarising, you should consider all or some of the following. Indicate the title and the author of the text. State the main purpose or idea of the text. Synthesize the writer's key ideas in the format best suited to your purpose. For example, it can be in a paragraph, bulleted list, mind map, table, etc. And present the information accurately without changing the author's intended meaning. One of our recommended summarising strategies is the pillar strategy, which was developed by the Writing Centre at the University of the Free State. The pillar strategy consists of the following guidelines. Peruse the text. Read the text to understand the author's argument. Ask yourself what the text is about. Identify key words. Look for important words that define what the text content is about. This will help you determine the topic of the text. Locate the main idea. Look for and highlight the sentence or sentences that contain the main idea of the text. Leave out unnecessary information. Keep the summary concise. Do not include elaborations, expansions, examples, or supporting ideas. Articulate the idea briefly. Write the main idea in your own words. Repeat. Repeat the steps until your summary is complete. Summarising is often about identifying the main ideas that the author is trying to convey. So far we have discussed the pillar technique. Now we are going to talk about how you can identify the main ideas in the text. The main ideas of an academic text can often be found in the introduction and the conclusion. These ideas are central concepts or key points that the author wants to convey to the readers. The overarching idea of a multi-paragraph text is often evident in the thesis statement, found in the introduction, and developed throughout the text. Once these ideas are identified, we need to summarize the information conveyed by these ideas in a condensed form. Now let's look at two examples of summarized ideas. Keep a lookout for how we identified the keywords that defined the text's content, located the main idea by highlighting the sentence that contained it, left out unnecessary information to keep the summary concise, and articulated the main idea briefly in our own words. The original sentence reads as follows. Elephants belonging to the class Mammalia have the largest brains of any land animal, with an average adult brain weighing around 5 kilograms. We can summarize the text as follows. Elephants have the largest brains of any animals on land. Let's have a look at another example. It is an undeniable fact that an elephant's trumpeting sound is impressive. reaching a sound level of up to 110 decibels and able to be heard up to 10 kilometers away. We can summarize the sentence to the following. Elephants can make very loud noises. Noticed how he summarized both sentences without distorting or changing the author's original words. Remember to use the pillar technique next time when you are summarizing. Be sure to watch the third part of our series on paraphrasing, summarizing, and quoting. In the third part, we will discuss how to quote. Thank you for joining me.